Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook mushroom curry. First, ensure all your ingredients are prepped and ready to go. This makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Dice 1 medium onion, mince 2 cloves of garlic, and grate about 1 inch of fresh ginger. Slice 8 ounces of cremini mushrooms thinly, preparing them for a quick sauté. This initial organization saves time and helps build complex flavors right from the start. Once your pan is hot with 2 tablespoons of oil, add the diced onions and cook them gently until they become tender and slightly golden, usually around 5 minutes. This step is crucial for sweetness. Next, incorporate the minced garlic and grated ginger, stirring them for about 1 minute until their wonderful aroma fills your kitchen. Then, add the sliced mushrooms, cooking them until they release their moisture and brown slightly, deepening their flavor and texture. Now it's time to build the heart of your curry. Stir in 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1/2 teaspoon of coriander with the cooked aromatics, allowing them to toast for 30 seconds. Then, pour in 1 12-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and 1 13.5-ounce can of full-fat coconut milk. Bring this flavorful mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, taste your delicious mushroom curry and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your preference. If you enjoy a bit more heat, a pinch of red chili flakes can be added here. Stir in a generous handful of fresh chopped cilantro just before serving. Its vibrant freshness truly brightens the dish. Serve this comforting curry warm over fluffy basmati rice or alongside warm, soft naan bread for a complete and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.